Hey guys, Tony Lopez here, and right behind me is a really pretty 20-foot shipping container built by my friend Chris from Container Guys Vegas. We partner with him on the finish out, and not only is this a good looking unit, it's very functional, and I want us to walk through the design, and I want to point out to you those things that you can apply to your build. So the first practical thing about this unit that's really nice is the original container doors were left on, which now allow you to actually secure your container when you leave. So you don't need to be exposed with a giant 8-foot by 8-foot glass slider. These container doors will close right in front of the sliding glass doors to add additional protection. This is especially important if you're off the grid and your container is somewhere remote when you're not there. The next thing that makes this space really functional is that even though it's just a 20-foot shipping container, there's actually 2 entry doors. So there's an outswing French door on the long side of the container, and then this sliding glass door right behind me. This really helps to open up the space and allows you to incorporate exterior elements as part of your interior design. So the next thing that's really functional about this design is the upper cabinetry in the kitchen. So with this being a high cube container, the interior ceiling height is about 8 feet 5 inches, and that gave plenty of room for these really nice upper cabinets. Over here, there's also additional shelves that are gonna be added, so you can store plates, dishware, cups, microwave, all of that. So it's not just sitting directly on here, and you're not just limited to the under cabinet space. So the next space that is also really functional is directly across from the kitchen, and it's where there's this great wardrobe. So within about a 3-foot span, we have a space for a fridge, a space to store a lot of clothes, and then even above that is your HVAC unit. So this is a really good way that even though you're in a compact space, it can really pack a punch and have a lot of opportunity for utilization. So the last couple of things are actually in the bathroom, so follow me. So we're currently working on a unit that has a bathtub in it, which in theory is pretty cool, but in practice does take up a lot of space. So most of our bathroom designs are set up where on one end you have vanity and toilet, on the other end is a shower. Now this is a 48-inch by 32-inch shower. It fits really nicely in the space, and we're amazed that most people when they walk in our units are surprised with just how big the bathroom is, but it's an important space, and as most people know, kitchen and bathrooms are 2 areas you don't want to skimp out on. Hope you guys are enjoying the video. We have a few new products that I just want to share with you. The first is our DIY Container Home Starter Course. This is for anyone that is kind of in the entry-level stages of building a container home, or you're just considering building a home. It's going to equip you with all the knowledge you need to be successful as you navigate land use, permitting, and even those initial build steps. Now, for those of you that you're ready to go to that next level, we have a product called the Container Home Builder Master Class, and in that product we go over all the ins and outs of the actual construction process for a container home. This is going to equip you throughout that entire build process so that you can build your own. And then lastly, we have our plan sets available, so if you love our models, you're going to want to check those out as well. And all this information is available via the link in the description below. Now back to the video. Now when it comes to the toilet, not all toilets are created equal, and this one is very practical because it actually separates both number 1 and number 2. Now this is really practical if you're trying to live off the grid and you don't have sewage or utilities to connect to. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. For more information about our container home models, you can check us out online at alternativeliving-spaces.com. And if you're interested in building your very own shipping container home as a DIY build, don't forget to check our training that's linked below. It's completely free and it's really going to help you. Look forward to seeing you in the next video.